Welcome back, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and click like. So finishing up on the Flexiride axle. Got that mounted on, bolted, said between 75 and 85 feet-pounds of torque on the bolts. Bolts were not included in the kit, so I ended up getting washers and bolts. They have to be grade 5. Torqued them down. Basically, I'm using those Falcon tires. They're 235 75 R15s. They're about 9 inches wide. So take 4.5 off there. I left myself basically 6.5 inches, so I left myself 2 inches clearance. Little trick to mounting, they're not really clear on that, is you do need to put a crossbar. I welded it down there. It's a 2x2 1/4-inch steel. Same thing on the other side. It actually made it a little bit easier. In my previous video, I showed you how I measured it and balanced it out, the mounting plate itself. So then you just mount the Flexi. Very cool. I'm very excited about the tires. Amazon, roughly 85 bucks. Kind of a little bit of an off-road look to it. Nothing severe. Hopefully you can see the tread. Got the side tread. It almost looks like the BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, the new ones, the AT2s. But we'll see how that comes along. Haven't used my torque wrench from Harbor Freight ever before. Did have it, and you'll notice it's missing the ball. So every time I put in the bolt or the socket, it kept popping out. So I will have to take it back to Harbor Freight and see how they can refund my money. Anyway, wanted to give you guys a quick update. So on the Flexiride, hopefully coming up, I'll have the trailer outside. I got to get the tires mounted onto the wheels. Then I'll be able to get the trailer flipped over. I do want to add a under frame pull out drawer. Reading online, someone came up with a great idea, so I'm hoping to do that, and I'll show you guys how I do that as well. So that'll be coming up. So just a couple welds to do, flip over the trailer, mount the tires, the wheels, get some buddies over to flip it over, and then I'll be able to weld the top side of the trailer, finish it all off, and then kind of go from there. But any questions, let me know, but please subscribe and click like. Thanks.